Welcome! You are watching AN Urdu English News channel. Let's move on to our new program.
Hello. A new government was formed in Germany. Olaf Scholz has been elected as Germany's new chancellor by a clear majority. There was no candidate against him for the post. He was the candidate for Germany's new chancellor alone. Scholz is 63 years old. He has served as vice chancellor and finance secretary. With the arrival of the new government, the 16 years role of former Chancellor Angela Merkel also came to an end. A new 18 members federal cabinet has also been set up. This federal cabinet also includes 8 women. The people have high hopes for the new government. They hope that the new government will be a source of a great improvement for the country and the people. A meeting of coalition parties was held in Germany before the next coalition government was formed after the election. The meeting considered working importantly and revolutionary in the forthcoming laws for Germany. It may be recalled that coalition parties include the Social Democratic Party, the Green Party, and the Free Democratic Party. The 177 pages agreement was agreed upon by all the parties at the meeting. It was also agreed to make the Social Democratic Party's Olaf Scholz the new Chancellor of Germany. The meeting acknowledged the demands of the alliance. The division of ministries was also fixed at the meeting. In this meeting, the allied parties presented an agenda on a number of issues which were unanimously adopted by all parties, in which many issues related to Germany were also agreed upon. The main issues are the privileges given in terms of asylum seekers and German citizenship. A formula for obtaining German citizenship on easy terms has been formulated for asylum seekers. This has caused a wave of joy among German-based asylum seekers. The main point are with regard to asylum seekers. 3 years German-based asylum seekers asylum seeking under 27 years of age will be able to obtain a visa in the form of an entry. January 1, 2022, asylum seekers was have been living for a period of 5 years will be given a 1 year visa so that they can work permanently. The identity policy will also be scrapped. Only the affidavit will be sufficient. The most important, dual citizenship has been facilitated. Citizens living in Germany will be able to obtain German citizenship without having to terminate their country's citizenship. The age of the voter has been reduced from 18 to 16 years. Now that the new German government has come, it remains to be seen by when these amendments and these decisions will be implemented because former Chancellor Germany Angela Merkel and other parties have expressed their concerns over these actions and have called these laws inappropriate for German. But on the other hand, refugee rights organizations have welcomed the amendments to the treaty. Now, the government has been formed whether the new amendments are worked out will only tell the time to come. It will take some time. The people have hopes, but don't keep high hopes. Khan Qayadat, AN Urdu English News.